Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of the Farmer's Farm. So today I'm going to show you how to start your sweet potato plant from just the vine, right? And of course, when you plant your sweet potato tuber, these are basically vines that came from those sproutings from the sweet potato, right? So without no further ado, let me go ahead and show you what the process entails. Initially, you want to cut a vine that is approximately 12 to 16 inches tall, right? But I normally use 12 inches, right? And what you want to do is that you want to be careful that you select that part of the plant that is free of pest and disease, right? So you do not want to use the whole sections of the plant. Well, luckily for me today, this plant is basically just starting off and it really doesn't have any whole sections per se where I cannot take a cutting from, right? So this vine here, I can always, and this one, I can always, this is my cicature, I can always cut my vine. And in terms of when you are cutting the vine, you want to ensure that you cut the vine right beneath a node, right? So first of all, let me get a little closer with you and show you what I'm talking about. So as you can see, these are the vines, and remember, sweet potato is a very prolific grower. It grows very fast, so when you really cut the vine, you basically release other shoots, and those shoots will grow very fast in a very short period of time. So I have a couple vines that I can cut, so let me go ahead and demonstrate what I'm talking about. This is basically one vine that I'm going to cut, and you want to cut the vine at least 12 to 16 inches, but I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to be cutting mine at 12 inches, right? So as I said, these are called, these sections here, they are called internodes, and here are where the leaf is attached to the main vine and where the new buds are coming out. This is called the, right here is called the node, right? This is where the leaf and new buds is attached to the main vine, right? So the longer section, intersection, is called the internode, and here where the leaf is attached to the plant and the buds are coming out, this here is called the node. So you want to cut the vine, right? You want to cut the vine exactly below the node, right? Exactly below the node. So you go ahead and you clip it off, right? So this is one cutting, right? This is basically one cutting, right? This is one cutting that you can use to really replant. So initially what you want to do is, because this vine is not yet producing any roots, you have to take off a percentage of the leaves, right? Maybe about 2/3 of the leaves, right? So what you want to do is go ahead and pull off the leaves, right? You go ahead and break off the leaves, right? Right. You can leave it like that, right? And these leaves, they are very soft and succulent. They can be eaten, but I've never tried them and I don't think I'll try them. Right? So I basically put these back in the pot for mulching, right?